जॉन एलिया का एक बहुत मशहूर शेर है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है। आदमी वक्त पर गया होगा, वक्त पहले गुजर गया होगा। द पर्सन मस्ट हैव अराइव्ड ऑन टाइम, द टाइम must have passed earlier. This poetry invites us to ponder the nature of time itself. It raises profound question: what is time? Is it merely an illusion, a construct of the mind that allows us to make sense of our experiences? The verse challenges us to consider whether there truly is a right time to arrive, or if, as Einstein suggested, time is relative, changing and shifting based on our circumstances and perspectives. Is time a constant flowing like a river, ever moving forward, never to be reversed, or is it more fluid, capable of bending and wrapping depending on the situation? This contemplation extends to why humans are so fascinated with the concept of time as a reference point. Why do we as a species feel the need to align our action with schedule and timelines? This is the question raised in this poetry.